Okay, so this is a project that a teacher in the school brought to us. It was a math teacher, 7th grade math teacher, and she had a mailbox which the handle was broken off. This is the original model. As you can see, there are 2 pegs which are used into or are inserted into the mailbox itself, and one of them are broken off. So she came to us. She knew. Well, she got the email. She knew that we were creating things. She was just like, "Okay, guys, here's the model. What do you got for us?" So I was kind of playing around with 1, 2, 3D design, using different objects, and I came up with an exact replica of the actual model through designing. And I had to take calculations of each single dimension of the original model, and I gave it to her, and she was so excited. She said it worked. It fit perfectly into the actual mailbox, so it just slides on. It fit perfectly, she said, and she was happy. I was happy, she was happy. I mean, I love helping people with their needs. Not only do I like to bring things for myself, but if someone comes to me with an idea, I love to help them. It expands my knowledge and it helps them as well. And I can apply science, technology, and math, because you have to use math to calculate the different dimensions for the actual product, and then actually design it and then print it in the software. I believe this is the 5th model I have. My first challenge was definitely the dimensions, and then after that, it was what can I do to make this better? So Mr. Howe came up with the idea to make it exactly round, because in order for it to slide on to the actual locking mechanism, it needed to be rounded so I could slide in. So I added things like the bump on the top, I added the extra arc on the top, and yeah, just trial and error came up with these designs.
Okay, so what we did for these tape things, so we have the tape roll, and some of the teachers were losing these, so they came to us and asked if we could make a design. So Zach and I both made designs, and we just trialed and errored on 1, 2, 3 design until we could get the perfect sizes and perfect shapes, until we made one that fits really nice and snug right in here, and it works really well. Okay, so this is a nameplate I designed for Dean Robbins, who gives us money to buy our MakerBots and different things in here. So to make this, I actually had to. This isn't a font. This is the special font that they use for their website here. So I had to take a screenshot of this, and then I did a long process so I could convert it into 1, 2, 3 design, which I did, and then I extruded it onto this just block, and so that made the lettering, and then I just used another lettering and extruded it upwards, so this goes down and that goes up. And to do all the different colors on this, we started printing it green, so that's why it's green on the bottom, and then when it reached right here, then we changed it to blue to give it this, and then when it reached over here, we changed it to yellow to give it 3 different colors.